Hello everyone. Today's video is going to be about mangrove trees. So let's get right into the video. Fact 1. Mangroves survive by filtering up to 90% of the salt out of seawater. Most trees can't live in saltwater, but mangroves have adapted to live in high salinity environments along coasts around the world. In addition to filtering salt out of seawater, their unique root systems help them stay upright in soft waterlogged soils and give them access to oxygen and nutrients. Fact 2. Mangroves act as natural barriers. Two undeniable symptoms of climate change are rising sea levels and increasingly extreme storm surges, and mangroves are a natural solution to protect against the devastation caused by both. A wave passing within 100 meters of a mangrove forest can lose around 2/3 of its energy. Experts estimate that mangrove ecosystems prevent more than $65 billion in property damages and reduce flood risks for around 15 million people every year. Fact 3. Mangrove cover just 0.1% of the planet's surface. Mangrove forests cover just 0.1% of the planet's surface but store up to 10 times more carbon for each hectare than terrestrial forests. They play a critical role in protecting the planet from climate change. Mangrove trees store carbon in their leaves, and when those leaves fall off and sink into the mud and silt, they become what is known as blue carbon, which means carbon that is stored underwater. Fact 4. Mangroves cannot be replanted once deforested. Mangroves act as a powerful tool in holding the coastline in place. Deforestation of mangroves would lead to land erosion and degradation, and in its absence, coastlines would be reshaped by incoming tides and currents. As a result, it becomes increasingly difficult to replant mangrove back to their former shape and habitats. Fact 5. Roots of mangroves are home to several species. It's not just humans that benefit from the existence of mangrove forests. The root systems of these trees are home to a lot of different species, including mudskippers, lemon sharks, and manatees. There are also many different species of fish that live amongst or beside the roots of mangrove trees. Not all species that rely on the mangrove forests live below the surface. The global areas of mangrove forest are home to many different creatures, including eagles, monkeys, cranes, and tigers. If you enjoyed the content of this video, click the subscribe button so you can receive more content like this.